Hello traders, you're welcome to this video. In this particular video, we are going to be discussing the best stochastic indicator settings. So if you have been wondering what settings are best for you as a trader using the stochastic oscillators, then you're going to find this video insightful. Basically, to improve your trading accuracy with a stochastic indicator, you may need to adjust the percentage K and percentage D lines for optimal performance. We're just going to load the stochastic oscillator on our chart right now. So this is the percentage K period, the percentage D, and the slowing. Now the default settings are usually 14, 3, and 3. But for more accuracy, especially in filtering out false signals, many traders prefer to use 5, 3 and 3 or 8, 3 and 3 for faster signals, or 21, 5 and 5 for smoother, more reliable signals on longer time frames. So now the best stochastic settings for trading accuracy for the percentage K period, we're going to be using either 5 or 8, but let's just use 8. Then for the percentage D, we're going to use 3, and for the smoothing, we're going to use 3 as well. Okay, now these adjustments can help you to catch more accurate buy and sell signals in overbought and oversold conditions, right? Now, and it can also help you reduce the number of false signals and market noise. It can also help you spot trend reversals with more precision. Now, how do you adjust the stochastic indicator? As for the percentage K period, it represents the raw stochastic value and reacts faster to price changes. By reducing the period to 5 or 8, you get more responsive signals that can help identify short-term trading opportunities. So we're going to be going down to the one hour time frame for this, right? And then as for the percentage D, which is 3 in this case, is a moving average of the percentage K line, smoothing the data and filtering out whipsaws. So keeping this at 3 strikes a balance between smoothness and responsiveness, giving you clever confirmation signals. Okay. Now, these settings, remember, these settings are really effective. It's gonna be helping you to catch price changes faster, right? Gonna help you to catch price changes faster. Now let us look at a few examples, right? Remember, this is the overbought level. Above the 80 level is the overbought level. Above the 20 level is the oversold level. When the stochastic is above 80, it indicates that the asset is overbought and a reversal might be coming. While below 20 suggests it's oversold. So adjusting the percentage K and percentage D lines help you identify these conditions sooner, allowing you timely entries and exits. Now, you might want to watch out for the percentage K line crossing above the percentage D. The green line being the main line crossing above the signal line in the oversold for buy signal. So as this happened, this was a buy signal. As we saw this crossover here, it indicated a buy signal. Okay, so we would have considered buying around here and setting the stop loss right below the swing low. We can see that right after the crossover happened, it was somewhere around here. This place would have been a good place for the stop loss, and we can see that an exit signal can be right at the overbought region when the main line begins to cross over the signal line downwards. So we could have considered exiting our trade somewhere around here. Okay, and now as for a sell signal, we can see that when the stochastics, we are in the overbought region, we can see that after a crossover happened, the price reacted accordingly, right? And then an exit could be at the oversold region when the bullish crossover happened. So perhaps we would have exited our trade somewhere around here, and the stop loss would have been right above the swing high. Okay, so basically this is how the stochastic oscillator works, and then these settings are very good settings if you want to optimize your stochastic oscillators and get faster signals. Okay, by using these optimized stochastic settings, you'll improve your trading accuracy and avoid many of the false signals that come with the false settings. Now, it doesn't mean that these settings guarantee profit. It does not guarantee profit, but it can help you to locate or identify signals faster, but it does not guarantee profit. So you might want to trade with only amount you can afford to lose, and make sure you absorb make sure you adhere to strict risk management. Make sure that you make use of proper risk management. Okay, so that is it, guys. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can get updated on subsequent videos for more trading insights. Cheers, guys, and happy trading.